And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 184. In the last video I've shown you, you can go to View and Show the Grid. And if you press Ctrl R, you can see that it's a little bit more than 70 pixels. So these big cells have 72 pixels. I know that because under Edit Preferences, you can left click on Guides and Grid. And here's the grid line value set. By default, that should be 72 pixels. You can also use dots instead of lines, so you can make some adjustments here when it comes to the appearance. But if you want to adjust the size, this is the value right here. Let me make that 70, and now you can directly see these big cells are 70 in width and height. There are also subdivisions, and these are the smaller rectangles. Currently we have 8. Let me make that 4 and I confirm. And this is how that works. So if you want to adjust your grid, go to View and Show It, and then go to Edit Preferences, Guides and Grids, and then adjust the two values right here for the size and the subdivisions. And when you want to use your grid, just as a reminder from last video, make sure that the snapping for the grid is also active. That can be found under View, right here, Snap to Grid. It needs to have this check mark. If it doesn't, left click on it, and then it should have. And if we use, for example, the pen tool now, it snaps here to these cells. And this is how I can adjust the grid in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.